If you feel like you have no real friends, well, this video is for you. Hi everybody, my name is Umsi. Who am I? I'm the friend you never had. So we grow together, share together, learn together, and do a lot of fun together. In this channel, I'm building a safe space of people who actually want to see each other grow. Subscribe to be a part of this. The topic of this video is I have no friends. What should I do? The language will be English, Hindi, and Punjabi because I'm from Punjab, and let's begin. सो इफ़ यू फील लाइक यू हैव नो फ्रेंड्स ओके विच मतलब मेरे साथ हो चुका है एक काफ़ी लंबे टाइम तक, ठीक है. बट आई नेवर फेल्ट लाइक आई हैव ज़ीरो फ्रेंड्स. आई ऑलवेज हैड फ्रेंड्स बट नॉट द टाइप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स विच आई वांटेड. ओके, माय फ्रेंड्स वर समवट being submissive. I don't like that part. I want to be challenged. I want somebody to challenge me. Okay, I can do this. Can you do this? But my friends were like way lower than me, and I did not like that. Okay, and that caused a rift between me and my friends. Similarly, in your life, maybe the rift is because of some other things. Maybe you are too good, or maybe they are too good. Maybe they are on a different path and you are on a different path. Maybe their ideologies are different, your ideologies are different. For me, I had a group of friends. We were together since childhood, and then when we hit like 18, 19 years, they went into, and I did not. So that was a clear cut instruction that okay, now our lives are separated. Why? Because they chose a different path. So maybe the similarity is happening in your life. Now speaking in mine, I think I only have one friend left, one true friend in my life. I have friends, I have connections, but that one true friend, I think I just only have one. And by being with that one, I feel like you only need one person in your life. And even if you do not have that one person, you have yourself. You always do not need a bunch of people saying you, oh my god, you're so good, oh my god, do this, oh my god, you know what happened. Like, oh, I also wanted a female friendship that would call me at night and say, oh my god, you know what happened. Like, I crave for that. मुझे नहीं मिला वो, and it's completely fine. It's completely okay. Now I realize that there is a difference of me, what I want, and what I actually attract. So maybe I do not attract those friendships. Maybe I need to heal. Maybe I need to grow. I don't know. But I'm just telling you, even if you do not have friends, don't blame yourself. You don't know what is the reason. Maybe universe is teaching you something. Maybe the friends you have right now are like, that happened with me. I was crying when I lost my friends, and now I realized, oh my god, that was like trash. The friend I have right now, like, he has lost friends, and he was like sad because of this for 1 or 2 days. The third day he was like, banger, I'm back. And I somehow still miss my friends. Okay, I know I talk about this a lot, ki you are enough and stuff like that, but he actually does not, and that gave me confidence of not missing them anymore. You just need one person in your life that is telling you that you are completely fine and completely okay. And even if you do not have that one person, hi, welcome to this community. I am being that friend of yours. Okay, I've said this in the introduction also. I am being the friend you never had, because I have like actually had a traumatic experience. That why I like started this channel. Only one of my followers know this. Okay, but the point is, even if you do not have friends, you are enough. डोंट फील लाइक यूर नॉट. अभी ऐसा होगा कि यार मैं कॉलेज में जाता हूँ, अकेली फील करती हूँ, अकेला फील करता हूँ. योर ऑरा शुड स्पीक. कॉलेज में जाते हो, मैं सिंपल सी टिप्स और ट्रिक्स बताती हूँ. जस्ट गेट इन्वॉल्व इन एवरीथिंग. इवन इफ़ यू हैव लाइक कल्चरल फेस्ट ग्रुप्स. मैं कभी कॉलेज गई नहीं हूँ, आई डोंट नो, but still get involved. I have not been to college, but I've been to a lot of social gatherings where I have zero friends, and I walked out with many connections and many friends and I think I have the confidence because I know that I am in a good baby zone. Like, you know, I'm that kind of child जिसके like friends नहीं कहते अच्छा ये चल रही है, ओके ओके फिर तो तू नाल चल जा, ओके उनसे ध्यान रखी साढ़े बच्चे का. I am that kind of friend. Okay, so I'm telling you, you just need confidence in yourself. इवन इफ़ यू हैव ज़ीरो फ्रेंड्स, डजंट मैटर कि आप में कोई कमी है, ठीक है. बी कॉन्फिडेंट. अगर कॉलेज में हो, पढ़ाई करो अच्छे से, यू विल अट्रैक्ट फ्रेंड्स, ठीक है. अपनी कोई हॉबी चूज़ करो, यू विल अट्रैक्ट फ्रेंड्स. दिस इंटरनेट थिंग इज़ अ होल बिग कम्युनिटी. यू अट्रैक्ट सो मैनी फ्रेंड्स व्हेन यू एक्चुअली शेयर व्हाट यू रियली वांट टू डू. लाइक आई वाज दिस चैनल, आई हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड लाइक 1 महीना सच्ची नहीं हुआ है यार इसको, ठीक है. ना still can like tell you 5 or 6 people who are commenting on my like daily videos, who like my daily videos. I even though don't even like my videos that much, but they do. Why I do not like? Because मैं कुछ और present करना चाहती हूँ. I wanna go into skits, like mental health skits. I wanna share my journey, but मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कहाँ से. a lot of things has happened in my life. I don't want to overshare, but I think I'm the friend that overshares. So yeah, I just want to tell you one thing: you have me. Even if you do not have anybody, you have this whole community. We welcome you. Don't feel alone. You're confident, you're beautiful. I can sense your aura. You know, I have spiritual gifts like that. You are awesome. Be confident in yourself and love yourself more than anybody else. Love yourself, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you like this video and give me real comments. What do you want to see? Like, such me, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a good day. I hope you heal. I hope you get your personality developed. And thank you.